welcome back to my channel. So, just came home from the office. So, wala akong training ngayon because busy yung magti-train sa akin. So, got home and I'm so hungry. Don't have my lunch yet and I ordered already. Okay guys, so I ordered chicken. Later you can see and I have a parcel. Unbox na natin. So, kakain muna. So, tapos na tayong kumain. And then, here in our fridge, you can see that dapat ito lang yung bibilhin ko bago ko umuwi. Kasi ito yung nakalimutan ko para sa breakfast ko. Pero napabili na rin tayo ng kung ano-ano. Nakabili ako ng bacon, ng hotdog, ng for spring roll, and then this one also. So ko to sa breakfast eh. So yeah, that's it. And nag-inquire na din pala ako sa gym. So nandito na ako sa taas guys. So meron pa akong dalawang parcel sa baba. Let's see kung ano siya. I-haul natin. So this one is from Lazada. Okay. Open it. Oh, okay, got it. Ito yung in-order ko na trash can para sa kwarto. Kasi sira na yung trash can ni Mami. So, wala siyang trash can. Tapos ako may trash can. So, yung trash can ko, ibababa ko para sa kitchen. Tapos ito ang gagamitin namin dito sa bedroom. Actually, this is 2. Should be 2. Yeah, pretty. Yep. Color gray. Hindi siya masyadong matte. Cute. This is really good for the trash bag. Okay. Next is this one. This parcel is from I think Shopee. Yeah. Let's open it. Actually, lagi naman akong nagre-review if may time. But right now, I don't have time to review. And gamit ko din yung phone for camera. So, yeah. Ooh! Whiteboard. Ah! Okay! Finally. Nasira na kasi yung shoe rack ko. So, umorder ako sa Shopee ng shoe rack. So, i-assemble natin to guys. Okay. This is 9 layers. Black and white yung pinili ko para hindi masyado madumi. Actually, maganda rin naman yung pure na white, but madumihin siya. So, no. Okay, let's assemble this. So, i-assemble lang natin to, guys. So guys, tapos na natin yung assemble. So, nilagay ko na rin yung mga shoes ko and nag-declutter na pala ako. Kaya ayan na lang yung natira. So guys, ito yung chicken na ulam ko ngayon. And, i-fry ko lang to sa air fryer. So, kuha muna ako ng breading. Then, ilalagay na natin ito sa air fryer. Yun lang kabilis kasi gutom na rin ako. And wala pa akong dinner. Natap ko na din ng tissue ko, guys. So, okay na to. Coat lang natin. Actually, yung gusto ko talagang part is wings or drumstick. But, or thighs din. Hindi pa siya talaga, frozen kasi yung chicken galing kasi sa freezer. So, this one is good. So, ayan yung chicken, guys. Isa lang siya kasi ako lang naman. Nakakain na sila. Si Winter kumain na. Si Mommy, may sarili naman siyang food eh. So, air fryer ko lang ngayon. Set lang natin yan ng 25 minutes in 180 degrees. Okay. Sabaw tayo, guys. Konti na lang yan, but okay na yan. Leftover yan yesterday sa sinigang ni Mami. So, yeah. Ngayon, guys, meron tayo dyang soup, yung ininit ko na leftover na sinigang. And then, meron tayo dyang mang tomas na maanghang siga. And then, chicken and rice. Thank you, Lord. Let's eat, guys. So, done na ako mag-wash ng face, guys. And I am using Dermastrata products for my skincare. And I will use this toner from them. So, story time tayo, guys, habang nag-i-skincare ako. The reason why I didn't vlog for a long time is because I don't have a camera. The back camera of my phone is broken, so cannot film. So ngayon lang ako nagkaroon ng bagong phone ulit, so I can film na. That's why. But there's a lot of ganap din naman in my life, troubles with my family and by my own. But on my own trouble, I don't actually film. But I had pictures. So yeah. That's the reason why. So, nagto-toner muna ako. Because that's the advice of my dermatologist. Actually, sa kanila ako nagpapa-facial. Like, they advise me na dapat mag-facial every month or every 2 months if you're busy. So, I will do that. Next is the Dermastrata Post-Acne Solution. This one. Antayin ko lang yan na mag-set, guys. So, I'm done with my skincare, guys, and that's all with our vlog today. And I hope you are well and be good. Please like and subscribe if you haven't yet. See ya!
Under the boughs where the shadows play, the wind